Hello people, so today we will be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion, that is 567 permutation in string. And before that I just forgot that we have completed 365 days already on this channel. 366 days to be honest, that's 1 year, and I have posted video for 1 year long, all days solving all the questions for the LeetCode. Okay, and without wasting any time, I was just like thank you everyone for supporting me in these times, and I'll I'm just very grateful to have you. Okay, so without wasting any time, let's just dive into the question. We'll be given two strings s1 and s2, and we have to return true if s2 contains a permutation of s1 or false otherwise. And in other words, we have to return true if one of the s1's permutation is a substring of s2. For example, s1 is ab and s2 is eidba triple o. So the output comes out to be true because s2 contains a permutation of s1, which is ba, and so that's why our answer comes out to be true. But in this case it's false because we are having BOA, so there is no way we can form a permutation of AB in example 2. Okay, so for this let's have a map for character comma integer. Basically let's form a map from s1 firstly, character comma integer. Let's call it str map or str only hash from. Now let's update the characters in the hash for char ch and s1 dot to character array. Okay, and I'll be checking that if okay, no, let's just do a map str dot put ch comma str dot get or default ch comma 0 plus 1. Or basically we are using a sliding window approach, and let's have two pointers which are left and right, and also basically left is equal to 0 and right is equal to 0 starting from initial position. Let's have the length of the window, so that will be equal to s1 dot length, because there's this only a substring of this length can hold a permutation of s1. Okay, so that's why we are having a window length of s1 dot length. Okay, now while let's have another map for the current window. So map of character comma integer, let's call it window or when, that is equal to new hash map again. So what we'll be doing is that for let's use a while loop, not for the while right is less than s2 dot length. I'll be putting the current character into s2, so in the window. Okay, so win dot put s dot char at right comma win dot get or default s dot char at right comma 0 plus 1. Okay, now we'll be checking that if my current like window size of the window is equal to the s1 length, so right minus left plus 1 is equal to length of the window. In this case there might be a chance that we are having a permutation, so we'll be firstly checking that if window dot equals str means we have found our answer, so we'll be returning true, else we'll be decrementing the size of the window. Okay, so we'll be checking firstly that if a window dot get s dot char at left is 1, so basically we'll be removing this current character, so window dot remove s dot char at left, else we'll be updating it, so we'll be just decrementing the frequency, else window dot put s dot char at left comma win dot get s dot char at left minus 1. Okay, and then I'll be obviously incrementing my left pointer, then the right pointer as well after the if loop, if condition, not the if loop, and then I'll be returning answer. Okay, now let's give it a run. Oh, okay, s2 dot caret, sorry, my bad. Okay, I wish s, yeah, s2 dot caret left. Now let's give it a run again. Cannot find answer. Oh, sorry, return to false here. Just muscle memory. If we don't find the answer in this while loop, we'll be returning false. Okay, and it gets scripted. Now let's submit it, and it works for define as well. Okay, so this was for today. Thank you for watching.